Before I get my asphalt millings hauled into this parking lot, I want to do a little work. I'm going to run electric and water back here. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. Right here in the back of the lot, I'm going to put a 6x6 treated post in here, and I'm going to put an RV hookup site and water right here. And I'm going to dig just a shallow trench, going to come across here and tie into the barn. And also I can use the electric and water on the excavator if I want to run a pressure washer, and I always keep a battery tender on it, so that'll be handy. And I'm not worried about the water line freezing up here in the winter because the barn has plumbing in it, water heater and a water softener, but there's no insulation or heat in there. So before winter, I drain the whole system out, blow it out with the air compressor. So this will be the same thing. This will all be blown out. I'm gonna put a valve down here in the bottom and I can blow it out, make sure it's drained good. So let me get started digging. Here's the 4-foot mark on my post hole diggers. By the time I get my grindings in here, that's plenty deep. I'm using a 10-footer, but I may put a light up on here, I'm not sure. If not, I'll cut the excess off. So I picked up an irrigation box here and put this flush with the grass. And when I run my PEX through here, I'll come up here with the faucet and I'm going to tee over into this box. And I'll put a 1/4 turn valve in there that I can open up. That'll be my low point drain, blow the water out of it. These things come with some pretty big holes in the side, so I had some scrap plastic around. I just ribbed that in there, and I'll just drill whatever size hole I need. Probably a 1-inch hole I'll drill in there, line it up. That'll give me a nice drain. Probably have to do something to cover this up, keep the sun off of it. It may deteriorate that over time. Perfect. And I don't know if this is the right way to do it or not. It's the way I do it. This works for me. I want the electrical box on the back side protected in case it gets backed into. This will be out of the way. All right, I got the rest of my trench dug here. Conduit's gonna go up here and put an LB right there. And the PEX will come up right here, 90 into the wall. This will kind of cover it up some. So I'm gonna get the plumbing done first. And I'll seal around here with a urethane sealer, keep the brass from touching the steel. Take these long sweeps, cut them where you need them to get 45s out of them, whatever you need. Take the hub off the end, use it for a coupling. This is the spigot I got. Actually, that's going to go on this side. I'm going to bore a hole through here, put a 90 on there, get a clamp up there. The pipe's going to stick out, but that's going to be covered anyway. Okay, done outside here. Okay, plumbing's hooked up in the barn. The protection for the pipe. All right, all the connections are made inside the box. Get these cover plates put on next. All right, box is all wired up. 30 amp plug, 20 amp plug, separate breakers, separate wires coming in for each. So basically there's 50 amp here. Water's turned on. I just got to make the connections in the barn and this will be ready to go. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.